Hey everybody, so today we learn about how to create this overall AI agent where we can just put in a command and it can actually generate an AI clone video of yours. So right now before starting, I'll just run this entire thing once and show you how we get the actual output. So this is the overall agent. I'll first run it by putting in some command. Let's say, what are the benefits of using AI in everyday life? I use that same example of the last time. So we put in the command and you would be able to see that the agent has now started running. And once the overall thing is done, what we would see is that in our Telegram chat here, right now you will see that we don't have any message after this. But once the overall agent has completed running, we would actually be able to see a video output in our Telegram, which would actually be me speaking some of the dialogues on the topic that we have just passed. So let's wait for a couple of minutes for this to finish, and then we'll look at the final output. So yeah, the video is downloaded and has been sent to our Telegram. Okay, we have got a notification. We have got a notification here as well. Let's go here. And yeah, we see a video here downloading and let us actually play it.
Did you know AI can save you hours in your daily routine? Imagine automating your grocery list or letting a smart assistant handle your schedule. With AI, you can simplify tasks like managing.
So we'll go back and now we'll try to create this entire agent. Probably not from scratch. I'll be using the same workflow that I've created here, but I'll tell you how to configure it and why by following it step by step, you should be able to implement it yourself. So I've already downloaded this workflow. Let us go and create a new workflow here. Now, once I do this, we'll just go ahead and import from file. I have this imported here, so I'll click and once I have it here, yeah. So right now there are a couple of steps that happen here. The first one is we have to give an input to the agent as to how it should get initiated, which is the chat message. In the chat message, we have to define what kind of a video we want to create. What do we want the agent or the AI clone avatar of yours speaking? That we need to enter here. After that, it goes into the script AI agent, which actually has a very defined, very big prompt saying that we just enlarge it and show it to you that create a short, high impact YouTube short transcript that grabs attention immediately, and then it has a set of instructions which takes in the input from your chat message and then creates the entire video. So this will do that. Next one is probably the title of your AI agent that you will need. So this title again, it takes in your script, it takes in your message, and then bases that it has a prompt once again, and it creates that title. Once it creates that, it goes into the Heygen API. I'll also show you how you connect your Heygen API, how do you take the API, and then put it here. So this is the HTTPS node which does the model, sorry, the video generation part. Then there is a wait node. Basically, the video generation takes some time, somewhere about 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. I mean, if the video length is higher, then it can take more than that as well. But right now, for the example, it takes that much time. Once we have this sorted as well, the next node it goes into is the get video node. Once the video starts getting generated, it keeps waiting for the entire video to be generated, and until and unless it is done, it keeps going in a waiting loop. The next one is a get video HTTPS node. This node basically tries to see if the URL for the generated video has been generated. What it will do is that it will get that download URL from the agent, and if not, it keeps sending this into the wait loop, and yeah, it will keep happening until unless we get that URL link. And post that, whenever the link is available, it goes into the download video HTTPS node, and then eventually sends a message to our Telegram. Now we'll see how do we configure this overall thing. So the only thing that I did is let me actually delete this entire thing. I'll again go ahead import from file. I will provide this JSON file somewhere in the description so you can download it from there. I have it here. Now, the initiation of this particular workflow is the chat message, which is basically your idea on which the video should be created. Your AI clone or AI avatar should be speaking. So that is a chat message that you can pass in from here. You can also connect it via Telegram or some other app that you want to give the input through. The next one is the script AI agent. Within this, probably you don't need to change anything. Everything is already set. So let it be as it is. Only thing that you would have to change is that once you go into the OpenAI chat model here, you will have to put in your API key. Where do you need to put in it? Is just click on the edit option here, and here you have the API text option. Go to OpenAI platform, click on the first link here. Alright, so it has opened. We'll go to our profile now, and there we should also have an option to go to the API keys. Okay, let's go to the API keys. And yeah, we can just click on this create new secret key option. You can give any name here, let's say AI clone, select a project of yours and create secret key. Now just copy this API key here. I am not doing it because I already have it there. Copy this API key from here, go back to N8N, and then here just paste that API key. Once you have pasted your API key, you will get this retry option here. Click on it, and post that you should be able to see that your connection has been tested successfully. If not, then you're probably the API key is not correct. So you'll have to take the correct API key and then put it here. Let's close it and go to the next step, which is the title AI agent. Again, the same thing here. You don't have to change anything within this particular agent. Only thing that you need to do is again go to the OpenAI chat model node and connect the right API key by again clicking on the same edit button. Now, the next one is the generate video HTTPS node. So within this also, you don't have to change the post method, the URL. We are using a post method here because in a way, Heygen is trying to share a video with us. So it is sort of sending a post request. And only thing that you need to change here is your API key. So let me show you where did you get it from. Let's go to Heygen and here, yeah, I've already logged in. Let me actually, yeah, I mean, yeah, you can just go to this link and sign in. And after that, go to your profile, I guess. One second, I forgot where did we get the API from? Uh, settings, I guess. Yeah, settings and then subscriptions and API. And then you have your agent API. You can just click on this refresh button. It will basically ask you to regenerate an API key, or you will have an option to generate an API key. So confirm this, and you'll get your API key. Copy this, go back to your N8N workflow, and then paste your API key here. Let's say I put it here, and then it's done. Let's close it. Next one is to get the video also, you will have to enter your API key, let everything be the same, and then yeah, come to this XAPI key option and then paste your API key here. And let's close this already. And one more thing that you'll have to do apart from just connecting your API is basically you'll need to record yourself for about 3 to 5 minutes video. And so that agent can train its model on your video, your voice. So come to the home page within agent and you'll find an option called create your avatar. Just click here and here you get instructions in terms of how your video needs to be. There should be proper lighting, etc. So I'll just click on get started. It says that your video should be 2 to 5 minutes or at least 30 seconds in length or unedited footage. Set the right environment, speak naturally, clearly, and enable or expressive natural motion, etc. So just go through all of these instructions, shoot your video, upload it here, and then it will also ask you to give a consent in the last stage, I think, where you'll have to just say that, okay, I sort of authorize agent to train its model on my video, and post that it will take a couple of minutes just to get trained, and you will be able to train the videos. Another thing is that, so I've trained my own avatar here. Let me go to avatars. And here you will be able to see that my that AI avatar is already here. So once I click on this, within N8N, I think it's within the generate video prompt or the JSON that I've passed. And here you see that I have an avatar ID and the voice ID is as well. So let's go back to Heygen, and once I go here, I should be able to see as you know it's the group ID. Yeah. So once you go to your avatar and go to these three dots at the top, you will be able to see copy avatar ID. So just copy this avatar ID and replace it here in this avatar ID key or whatever the option that you see here. The next one is the voice ID because Agent is also taking your voice and training it on. So go to voices and similarly you will see your own voice here. Just go to these three dots, get the voice ID, go back to N8N and here, and then replace this voice ID with the ID that you get from Agent. And post that, I think you will be set. You can just start running the entire thing. Uh, Post this, I don't think you need to put it anywhere else. All the links within these HTTPS nodes, let them be the same. Do not change them. It will work as it is. You don't have to do anything. In the download video also, I think the link is already there, so you don't need to do any changes. Let it be as it is. Only the last part is the Telegram node. So for this, I think I've used send a message option, or within the Telegram node itself, you can just put the resource as message and operation as send video. If you are not able to, or you don't know how to create Telegram, connect Telegram to N8N, I will probably put a documentation within the description itself. So you can refer to that and connect to Telegram. It's very easy, probably 2 to 3 steps only. Now, since we have connected everything, all the integrations, the APIs, etc., we have done, we will just go ahead and maybe, let's say, give out something called as, let's say, a topic which is um, tell me about AI tools. Um, Enter. Now the workflow has started running, and in a couple of minutes we should be able to see a video as an output within our Telegram chat here. We only have one video here. In a couple of minutes we'll have the second one as well. Yeah, the video is done, and we have also received it in our Telegram. I will play this video separately in the while I'm editing the video because I've connected my mic and the sound will come. So yeah, that's it from the video perspective. Like it if you find this valuable, and then if you have any questions, do put them in the comment section. I'll try to answer each one of them. Also, you can go and follow me on Instagram if you have only seen me on YouTube.